Let's look at this question. N is a set of positive integers. It has 24 elements with the smallest and 1 and largest is 25. The average of the elements in this group is 13, 5 by 12. Which positive integer is missing from the given set? Again, the language of the question is slightly troubling to me because the question should ideally say is a set of distinct positive integers. If it doesn't say distinct, then you cannot solve this question. But the fact that this is a theta question gives me an indication they would have solved it using distinct numbers only. Let's work. So first, simply calculate the sum of first 25 natural numbers. 25 into 26 by 2. So 25 into 13, 325. Your sum is 325 had there been all 25 natural numbers. But because they are saying 24, so something is missing. The average for 24 numbers is given as 24 is given as 13, 5 by 12. Let's do that. So 24 into 13 plus 24 into 5 by 12. This is better. So from this 325, I have to subtract this value to reach my answer to identify which number is missing. Now this 325 is 25 into 13. This is 24 into 13. So I get 13 straight away. Then I have to subtract this. I cancel. Let me remove 10. And the answer that I will get is 3. If you remove 3 from this, see, you will be left with 322 divided by 24. Cancel it. You will get 12. You will get 161, which is indeed equal to 13, 5 by 12. I'm just doing this for peace of mind. But otherwise, this 3 here leads me to the answer fairly quickly itself.